What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. We're back at it again with another video. Now today it's just another day to kick back and relax, and if you want to show them what's going on right there, yeah, all right. So guys, so before we go into the video, I'd like to ask if you do yourself a favor, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you click that like button after you watch this video, and don't forget to also click that bell button so that you can be notified every time we upload a video. Now today's video, it's about prank. Yes, that's right, you heard me right. I did another prank on mommy. So before we go into the video, let's go ahead and get some likes, and don't forget, tell your family and friends. We like to get more subscribers, so please help us out and support the team and subscribe. Do you understand what I'm saying? All right, we're about to cook some hamburgers. Okay, cut. All right, so we hope you like this video.
I'm gonna try to ring my alarm so she can come and get it in the room, in the closet. So let's wait for her.
Where's the camera?
Turn off the light.
Say that's the number. Maybe it's
Okay. Oh, wow, that went well. That was really good. Okay, thank you for staying. Thank you. Yeah. She's bad. She's really bad. Look at her. I got her. Anyway. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. We hope you liked the little prank. We apologize if it's not that really long, but at least we want to make sure that we put in a little bit of effort to at least do something for our video. And we did actually had a little bit of result from that. And we hope you guys like it, and we hope that you would continue to follow our journey and be part of our team, and make sure to subscribe and tell your friends and family. Yeah, tell your, if you're from Chuuk, please write back to Chuuk and tell all your families back home in Chuuk, and tell the government to subscribe. Tell all the church members to subscribe, and if there are any I don't know, just all of them. Wait, what are you doing? I'm the speaker. Okay, so you stay focused on the speaker. Okay, man, I was talking and you like just like deviate from me. Whoa, cameraman, you're gonna be fired. All right, you wanna be part of this? You wanna say hi? You wanna close out the video? Okay, all right. Okay, we'll see you guys.
fresh.
Peace.
Peace. Man, I feel bad. What?
Okay, where's my juice now?
Where's my? I love that. Oh, I can look inside of it. Look. I caught the tongue.
Who's cheating bread?
Look. Here's a white bucket. I told you.
Molly. Here, boy. It's an onion. Look, I told my mom, man.
I was saying, fuck like that.
You know where do I enter?
North Oregon.
Whose house?
My house. Oregon.
Look, there's a food. You know,
Like
Tiana's house.
Huh?
Tiana's house.
I know.
No, you don't.
Donna is Nathan's store.